How to partial search for words using Regex Python. I want to get all XLSX files that somewhere have feedback report in them. I want to make this filter very strong. So any partial matches like feedback_report, feedback report should all return true. Example file names. ZSS project_jkiel_feedback_report_jan 29th 2015.xlsx. Zloty _feedback report_012844.xlsx. Asaranam _feedback report_012844.xlsx. A futile attempt below.
This will work. Tested it on the following input list with the code. The output is expected by awk from the same is.
First of all, lowercase file names in order to minimize the number of possible options. Looks for feedback, next up to 3 whatever characters, next report, and whatever again, ending with a dot and XLS or XLSX extension. Or just. Also you can use Python glob module to search files in Linux fashion.
Your regex is nearly acceptable, but the beginning and ending portions will not match correctly because you have underscores in your examples. I'm not sure how representative these are of your actual data, but to match what you have here, you would need. Another thing you should probably be careful of is to make sure you're actually working with just the file name and not the file path, because in that case you'd have to worry about and characters. Also note that I'm only matching for the exact characters I noticed you were missing. You may want to try. But, again, I'm not sure what your data actually looks like. Hope this helps.
Could you use just string methods like the following? And also, giving you something like if there are more characters that could cause problems such as, then you could also make a quick function to remove bad characters. Amending the appropriate portion of the if statement too.
I use this for my string based on all your suggestions. This works for me in 99% of the cases.
If you want to start channel, please consider them.